Aditya Pingle, 61 years old, from the city of Cochin, a German language teacher by profession and currently also the executive director of a language company. What I liked about the workshop is that practically except ChatGPT and Canva, all the tools were new to me. And I really felt like Alice in Wonderland. And I liked the workshop as a whole. I liked most Claude and Udemy, which I would really like to implement in teaching my students because these tools will help them practice their speaking and writing skills. Thank you, Be10x, and I have also joined your bigger masterclass and hope to benefit a lot from it. Rather, I'm sure I'll benefit a lot from it. Thank you.